How to fix Google Chrome has stopped working error on Windows 10. If your Chrome has stopped working on your Windows 10 PC, try the following methods. Method 1. Backup then delete preferences folder at %localapp.a%\google\chrome\user data/. Method 2. Remove conflict. Software at Chrome/conflicts using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. Method 3. Rename default folder. More. 3.1. Windows XP users, %user profile %local settings /application data /Google /Chrome /user data /. 3.2 Windows Vista /Windows 7 /Windows 8, %localapp data %Google /Chrome /user data /. 3.3 Mac OS X, /library /application support /Google /Chrome /default. 3.4 Linux, /config /Google Chrome /default. Method 4. System File Checker, SFC, Command, SFC/scanO, as admin. Method 5, Disable apps at Chrome/apps and or extensions. Method 6, Miscellaneous fixes. 1. Back up your Chrome profile, then remove your Chrome using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Update your installation later.